In this guide, we'll walk you through how to configure a Signal reader with a custom Seos credential in Linq On Premise, encoded via HID CP1000 and Assure ID. Start by opening Assure ID and navigating to the Key Management tab. Click Create Custom Key. You'll need at least 6 Seos keys. If you're using GDF, create 9 keys. You can manually enter key values or generate them randomly. Standard Seos key size, 16 bytes. Please note, these keys won't be visible again. Make sure to record each key securely. Next, create your Seos ADFO ID, an 8-byte value that acts as a secure container for your credential. Enter this value manually. You'll use it later in the configuration process. Now let's build your key sets. Click Add Key Set and choose Seos as the type. Assign 5 of your keys to Encryption, MAC, Read, Write, and Admin. Enter your ADFO ID in the designated field. Then create a secure object SO keyset. Click Add Keyset again, select SO, and assign your sixth key. Time to encode your sales card. Go to the Work Order Manager tab and click New. This opens the Sales Encoding Wizard. Custom Seos is supported only for the HID H10301 access application. Define your credential format and data field names. Then select your custom key sets, GDF, if applicable, ADF authentication, and secure object. Place a blank Seos card on the CP1000 and execute the encoding. Switch to Linq On Premise. Open the Key Store tab and select your local key store. Choose Seos key type and input all your key values. Please note, Linq On Premise currently only supports custom Seos with secure objects. In the Secure Object field, enter the SO ID as found in Assure ID, as well as the key value. Let's create your configuration. Go to the Configuration tab. Now choose Local Configuration. You can copy an existing configuration or start afresh. In the Product Configurator, select the credential technologies your reader should support and click Add to Template. In the Key section, toggle on Key Store Support and choose your key store. Select your Seos key and enter the ADFO ID as found in Assure ID. Click Add Key to Template. Give your configuration a name and save it as a draft. To test, change the status to publishable and eventually to publish to lock. Click Apply to Reader, select your gateway, and choose the reader or readers.